Well, today we've got another exciting build video of doing the same thing I've been doing, just different side. It's time to get started on the back side. Should be a little cooler over here. Well, maybe not much. But I've gotten, you can see all the rafter tails are the same length. I've gotten all the rafter tails cut off. Everything's the same length. You have to measure from the center, from the peak of the house down to the edge. That way your decking stays parallel to the rest of it. I guess you'd say parallel. Anyway, that way your decking comes out right when you get to the top. This is a taller part. It's roughly 13.5 feet to the edge. So it's a little more challenging getting all my lumber up there and all that stuff. So I could build scaffolding, and Sun Level, you can't use regular scaffolding. So I could build scaffolding to cope, but it's $1,000 for, I don't know, a week's worth of use, 2 weeks, and then you tear it all down. So it's just really not worth it. Make do with what I have, try to get up there and get it done. And yeah, here we go. I went and bought lumber yesterday to build a little 8-foot section of scaffolding up here. But we got rained out, couldn't do it. It's a great day to be working on the roof. So I had plenty of time to think, I'm just not going to do it. It's a waste of time. It's only an 8-foot section in a 60-foot long wall. And I can just put the stuff in the backhoe, climb up on the roof, and just go with it. So I'm not going to worry about it. Probably going to catch a lot of flack for it, but so be it. So now I'm going to start putting up toe boards all the way down the end. I'm going to make the ones on the end kind of a double toe board, so that for some reason I make it all the way to that one. I won't come tumbling down, or at least have a better chance of stopping. So I'm going to get that done right quick, and then I'm going to start going up with the decking. I'm ready to get this thing done. All right, just about finished installing my toe boards and getting ready to start going up with some more decking. Got my helper over there. She's cutting everything to length. And hopefully we get quite a bit done today. Be real glad when all this is over. Okay, get over here and get the nail gun and run down through here just nailing them off. And try not to fall. Feet are steadily sliding. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now we'll just start cruising on down to the other end and work our way back one more time. Well, we made a lot of progress today. Having somebody over there sawing for me, man, having her over there makes all the difference. We got started about 10 o'clock this morning. Things had to dry out a little bit after the rain yesterday, but we're 1/3 the way there. Hope tomorrow we can just about make it to the top. We're up almost 13 feet now, so it's little by little it's getting there. I'll be glad when it's done though. So yeah, hopefully here in a couple days we'll have all this part finished and get ready to start boxing it in to put the insulation in there. After that goes the metal, and we're trying to figure out how to close in these gable ends and start interior framing. So it's starting to come together. I'm ready for it too. Pigs are out here groaning about something. They probably want something to eat. They're really starting to put on weight. And the Cornish cross, my meat birds, got about 4 more weeks, and be putting those in the freezer. That's what they're doing. They're wanting something to eat, so I'll go grab them something right quick and